Living off grid, a lot of people wonder, what do you do like on a typical Saturday morning when you got nothing to do and it's winter, all the chores have been done over the summer. So what we do is we just have a nice breakfast. And let me just show you. Today, we're having bacon, eggs, and down here, biscuits, all from our wood cook stove. I got that thing fully open for the max amount of heat. Got our coffee right here ready to go. Not only is it heating the house this morning, making it nice and toasty this winter morning, but it's cooking our food and it's heating up our hot water. Cool thing about being on a wood cook stove with the bacon is it heats up the entire pan evenly. Pretty close to it. Actually, it's hotter on this side towards the stovepipe. And of course, that's where Chrissy's cooking is, right in the middle, which is the cooler, and then coldest is over there. So
this is kind of a great warming, kind of the warming area above the oven.
Teapot, you can see, is still steaming, but it's not whistling, so it's not hot enough to get to whistle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn. The eggs are looking great.
Biscuits need a few more. Our temperature kind of dropped a little bit on there. It's kind of fun to do the meal like this, all on the wood cook stove. I love it.
Here's my plate for my bacon.
And then to warm it up on the shelf like that is awesome.
I'll just give you a...
Yeah.
That's our temperature, about 500.
It's awesome. Great temp. Well, it looks like the eggs are just about done. I'm going to pull them off onto the warm side here.
It was about 170.
Nice. Okay, I'm going to let those, because I'm totally not done with the biscuits. So
I'm not done with the bacon either.
Yeah,
this is
so
just
pull
the
these
first
off here and
wave.
let them just... Great. Oh, I didn't realize you had another... round to go there, babe. I wouldn't have done the eggs that quick.